Dinka to English translation. 1. Today in Dinka is called Yakole. Yakole. Now in Dinka is Yemene. 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 Tomorrow in Dinka is called Nyak. Nyak. Next tomorrow is called Nyak Dede. Nyak Dede. Yesterday in Dinka is called Warakol. 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 Akol. Akol is called sun. Morning. Morning in Dinka is called Nyak Nyak. Nyak Nyak. Nyak Nyak. Nyak Nyak. Morning. Nyak Dur. Nyak Nyak. Afternoon in Dinka is called Akol Chelich. Akol Chelich. Akol Chelich. Evening in Dinka is called Thainam. Thainam. Night in Dinka is called Werich or Wakau. Werich, Wakau. Midnight in Dinka is called Wer Shelich. Wer Shelich. Pay. Pay in this called moon. Quell. Stars. Nyat. Nyat. Cloud. Okay. These are short Dinka to English words. So please follow for more Dinka lessons. I'm William Majak Balik Ding. Don't Kuyane. Bye bye.